Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.6% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Federal Reserve's bid to calm inflation by raising interest rates and withdrawing emergency stimulus programs is gearing up just as the global economy is displaying worrying signs of weakness, aggravated by the war in Ukraine and COVID's continuing hold on industrial supply chains. Crypto hedge fund BK Coin Capital is readying itself to add more institutional investors. The $150 million Miami-based hedge fund is moving to a multi-strategy approach to accommodate institutional investor clients like pension funds, endowments, foundations, and sovereign wealth funds. The euro and the yen rose, reversing some recent losses against the US dollar, while the Swiss franc hit a one-month high against the euro after Swiss inflation soared to its highest in 14 years.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US non-farm payrolls at 12:30 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.